Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at data sorting, like arranging data in a sequential manner, either alphabetically or arranging the date or arranging the amount from smallest to largest, arranging numbers from smallest or from largest to the smallest. First of all, we'll go to data. Looking at these dates, it doesn't follow each other chronologically, so we need to sort and arrange this date accordingly. Go to data and go to sort by date, oldest to newest, click OK. Our date is well arranged. But let's say in a situation when we're not giving dates and once we're giving a data without dates and want to arrange some of this data alphabetically, we can arrange the salesperson alphabetically, the country, the product alphabetically, or we can arrange the amount from largest to smallest or from smallest to largest. So we go to sort by salesperson A to Z. So in this situation, Andrew Kimpton is the first person because Andrew Kimpton starts with an A. So every data about Andrew Kimpton comes first before any other person alphabetically. If we want to sort by country, this salesperson might not be the same again. So by country, A to Z, Australia comes first. Looking at country, Andrew Kimpton isn't all over the place again. So we can use this method, we can use every other sorting if in a situation where there is no dates. But in a situation where there is date, the only thing we can just arrange is the date. Once you arrange the date, every other thing is not important because the date is so important. We need to know what happened from the beginning and start of a year, what happened from the beginning of a month to the end of a month, from the beginning of the day to the end of the day, from the beginning of the week to the end of the week. The date is so important in everything we do concerning data. The date is so important. So what if we want to sort with boxes shipped from the largest to the smallest? From here is giving us smallest to largest. What if we want to choose from largest to smallest? Everything changed. The highest box that was shipped was 709 by this salesperson, Canada, and it was this product. But here, since we are considering the date only, we'll just sort the date and arrange the dates. Date, newest, oldest. When we say newest, oldest, it will start from the present day to before. But this data is an 8 months data collection from January to August. If we choose from newest to oldest, it will start from August down to January. So we'll just choose from oldest to newest. So it will give us data from January to August. Yeah, as you can see, this is it. So this is how we can sort data when we see that some of these things are not really arranged, especially the dates or the numbers doesn't come sequentially when we are given a row of serial numbers and it doesn't follow each other the way it's supposed to be. We can sort it like this. For more videos like this, please like, share, click the notification button and subscribe. Thank you.